Hello dear friends, welcome to another section of Information Technology class. In today's class, we are going to see an interesting topic.
Okay, you all assume you are watching TV. Okay, in your home you are watching TV. What are the things you need for watching TV? Yes, mainly we need TV. Then the remote control, right? Then we need to plug the wire in the socket. Next, we need electricity, right? We need some kinds of devices. In case of watching TV, like that, in computer network, there are some devices associated to it. In today's class, we are going to see the devices which are associated to the computer network. Okay, there are some kinds of devices which are associated to computer network. We will see those devices in our today's class. Come, let us start.
Before going directly into the types of devices which are used in computer network, we are going to learn first the types of network. Then only you will get clear idea about the devices which are connected to the computer network. So first we will learn about the types of computer networks. Okay, networks are classified based on how much area they are used geographically, how much area they cover geographically. Based on that, the first network is personal area network or PAN. In the case of personal area network, it is used on a personal level. Okay, many different devices are connected for our personal purpose. PAN uses wireless technology such as Bluetooth, infrared, NFC. See, in this picture you can see a computer is connected to tablets, mobile phones, etc. Right? It can be wireless or it can be connected using a USB cable. That is the case of personal area network or PAN. Okay. The next one is local area network or LAN. You can see in this picture many computers and devices are connected, right? A group of devices includes computers, servers, switches and printers are connected that are located in the same building. That is a main point. In close proximity to each other. The most common type of LAN is Ethernet LAN. So it is used within the same building. The next one is CAN or Campus Area Network. In the name itself it is clear. In a campus, this network is used in a campus that joins two or more LANs together. A college campus, a campus area. Okay, this network is used in a campus within a limited area. It includes two or more LANs, local area networks. That is called Campus Area Network or CAN. Okay, it includes the connection of two or more local area networks or LANs within a limited area. These kinds of networks are called as CAN. Next is the MAN, Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. Some of the features of MAN includes it is larger than a CAN. Okay, it spans over several buildings in a city or town. Okay, it covers the network over a city or town. Next is WAN or Wide Area Network. It is the largest type of network. It includes different kinds of networks. That means it is the largest, it spans over a large geographical area. The example for wide area network is Internet. Internet is an example of wide area network. Okay. Next we will discuss about the devices in a computer network. The first one is network interface card. It is also called as Ethernet card, LAN card, network adapter card, network interface unit or terminal access point. These are some of the names of network interface card. Okay. The main function of network interface card is it's a device used by computer to connect and communicate with other devices on the LAN. In every computer, this network interface card is used for connecting to other computers and other devices on the local area network or LAN. Okay, that's the purpose of NIC. The next one is we have to learn about hub, switch and router. Hub is a device which is having multiple ports. You can see in this picture there are some holes like structure is there, right? It has having multiple ports that are used to connect to multiple computers or segments for sending the data or packets. Okay, if the computer A has to send data to B, the hub will help to forward the data to the particular computer. That's the main purpose of hub. Next is switch. Switch is also like hub, but it just filter the data in an intelligent manner before sending to the destination. It is somewhat performing more intelligent than that of the hub. The switch is more secure to send data than the hub. The functioning is almost same in both hub and switch. Next is router. Router is also a network layer device. It works like a switch. It also helps to route the data packets based on their IP addresses. Okay, it connects multiple networks together. Router will help to connect multiple networks together for the transmission of data packets from one network to another. That's the main purpose of this router. The data packets will send from one network to another using this device. Next we will see network devices like bridge and gateway. A bridge connects two or more LANs. It operates at data link layer. The bridge handles network that follow the same protocol. So the bridge is a device which helps to send the data, but the thing is it includes the networks that are using same protocol. What do you mean by protocol? We have to learn deeply. It's a set of rules, right? So the different networks will use different protocols, but the bridge will help to connect the network which are using the same protocols. That's the main purpose of bridge. Gateway is a network device used to connect two or more dissimilar networks. That means the networks which use different protocols. By means of gateway, it is able to connect different networks which are using different protocols. That's the main purpose of this gateway. It is also an important network device. Sometimes it may act as a proxy server, sometimes it may act as a firewall, sometimes it may act as a malware protection. Going to learn about topology. What do you mean by topology? The geometric arrangements of nodes or computers in a network is called topology. There are different kinds of topologies are there. First is bus topology. You can see in this picture there is a main cable and the different computers are connected to this main cable. Topology, the data flows in a single direction. It is cost effective, used in small networks, easy to expand. But the main disadvantage is it's slower and depend upon the main cable. Cable fails, all the network will fail. Next topology is ring topology. You can see in this picture, it is connected like a ring. Here the message can travel in both clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Any damage in one node can cause the entire network will fails. Next type of topology is star topology. You can see a hub in the middle connected to the hub like a star shape. That is why this topology is called star topology. There is a central node which acts as a hub to which all the other nodes are connected. We can add a new node. If you want to add a new node, it's very difficult in this case of star topology. And as compared to bus topology, star topology requires more devices and cables. The next topology is mesh topology. You can see in this picture, every node is connected to every other device. This type of topology is called mesh topology. There is minimal chance of breakdown in this topology. The next is tree topology. In the tree topology, the hub acts as a root node. From the root node, all the remaining branches will form. If the root node fails to operate, the entire network fails. That's the case of tree topology. There is a main root node. From that the branches will come. The advantage of this topology is very easy to expand, easy maintenance, but it is central hub dependent. We are going to learn about network protocols. We have already discussed network protocols includes set of rules for sending and receiving information with each other. We have to learn about different types of network protocols. The first type of network protocol is HTTP. What do you mean by HTTP? Yes, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. It includes set of rules that define how the web pages are transfer information like document, file, etc. between computers over internet. How the web pages transfer information. There is one more secure version of HTTP, that is HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Next we have to learn about FTP. Protocol is FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It includes set of rules for file uploading and file downloading over the internet. Type of protocol is TCP/IP. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol bar IP, Internet Protocol. It's a network protocol that defines how the information or messages are routed from one end of the network to the other. That is the purpose of TCP. Mainly TCP is for the transmission and IP is for determining the destination address. For that purpose, there includes set of rules in a protocol, that is Transmission Control Protocol bar Internet Protocol. Okay, clear? TCP bar IP. Next we have to learn about POP, that is Post Office Protocol. What is the purpose of post office? Yes, we can send the letters through the post office, right? Like that, POP version 3 is an internet standard protocol that allows the email clients to retrieve email messages from an email server. It is related to email. How you can retrieve the email messages from the email server? There are mainly three types of email protocol. They are POP, IMAP and SMTP. POP is Post Office Protocol. It helps to retrieve the message from the server. It helps to retrieve the email messages from the email server, and after making download to the particular client machine, it is able to manipulate after downloading it to the client machine. That's the main purpose of POP protocol, Post Office Protocol version 3. It's related to email clients and email server. Okay. Next is IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. It is also an email protocol that stores email messages on an email server and allows the user to view, access and manipulate the message on the mail server itself. Mail server from the computer. Okay, that's the main difference between IMAP and POP. Here in this IMAP, the email messages can be manipulated from the computer on the server itself. Okay, it's possible to manipulate the email message from the server. That's the main difference. Next is SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. It is an email protocol for sending email messages across the internet. Okay, it's an email protocol for sending messages across the internet. These are the protocols we have to learn. Next, we are going to discuss some important point on wireless technology. There are mainly two types of wireless technology. They are Wi-Fi wireless technology, that is the devices are connected using Wi-Fi technology, and the next one is Bluetooth technology. Next we are going to learn about computer architecture. Overall design of a computer is called computer architecture. There are mainly two types of computer architecture. They are peer-to-peer architecture and client-server architecture. First we have to learn peer-to-peer architecture. Peer group means what? Students group. Any other students community group is called as a peer. Your classmates is a peer, right? Like that, peer-to-peer architecture means computer to computer architecture. In this type of architecture, there is no central server. All the computers are having equal responsibility in this type of architecture. It is less costly, and if one computer stops working, all the computers are not stop working. That's the main advantage of this peer-to-peer architecture. Next, we are going to learn about client-server architecture. In the case of client-server architecture, there is a main computer called server, and the clients are connected to the server. This is the client-server architecture. And in this client-server architecture, data backup is easily and it is less costly, as there is no need to manage the backup on each computer. Performance is better because the server is more powerful than the other computers. Security is better as unauthorized access are denied by the server. These are some of the advantages of client-server architecture.
So I hope you understood clearly the devices which are required for a computer network. Right? Please go through this video carefully. Okay?
Thank you, dear friends, for watching this video. We will see in the next video. Till then, bye.